A very good afternoon to you. Yes, we are indeed broadcasting live in Summerstrand in Port Elizabeth, where the Nelson Mandela Bay municipality, together with its stakeholders, are launching their own summer season. And of course, the Metro has over the past developed a very good reputation in terms of attracting, thousands of tourists, to converge here in December. Not only that, but the hospitality industry obviously smiling all the way to the bank. But currently, the bone of contention is the high number of COVID-19 cases that are going high. Even the numbers have surpassed 1,000 mark. Not only that, but with me here I have the acting mayor, Mr. Chonono Buyeye. Mayor, first and foremost, we are launching this particular summer season and the numbers are going up. Are you maybe not concerned?
Look, obviously we are concerned as a city in terms of the numbers that are rising. And it's not only here in the Nelson Mandela Bay that we are seeing numbers rising. There has been concern raised in other parts of the country about the numbers rising, which other people are terming it as a second surge. It is concerning because we are seeing now beds in hospitals are being filled in big numbers and at a rapid rate, and that concerns us very much as a city. But we believe that we have plans in place to make sure that whatever challenge is there as a city, we are able to manage, not in the same manner that we had challenges when we were not really prepared when the COVID hit the first time. We think that the plans that we have made as a city, we will be able to manage whatever is there. But the concern is that the numbers are rising. But that one is a concern to all of us.
Not only that, but the disaster management yesterday has indicated as obvious as the members of the mayor that both ICU, both private and government, are full. What have you got to say about that?
No, it's the private. Because I sit in a command, Metro Command committee that I chair myself, and we have private hospitals part of the meetings, and they are concerned that the numbers are rising, and as well as in the public hospitals. But the capacity that has been built by the Department of Health, it gives us that comfort that there is still enough beds in the city in all the hospitals, and that we must also remember we still have the field hospital with over 1,500 beds available, where currently we have less than 100 people at the field hospital. So we believe that we have adequate numbers of beds available as a city, and we don't want to see those being utilized, all of them. Even during the time when the numbers were really rising, we never really had over 200 people at one time at our field hospital. So we are sure that we should be able to manage whatever is out there now.
Not only that, are you not, as we all know that the festive season is just around the corner, not only that, but are you not concerned about the tourism industry that has the potential of generating millions of rands to the city?
Look, of course, that is a concern, which is why we are calling on to all the stakeholders, including the tourism industry, to make sure that they adhere to COVID-19 protocols, and so that they are not negatively affected as well as much as they have. You'll know that they have been badly affected since the COVID had started, and we would want to see the numbers of people occupying beds in our city increasing. So hence we are saying they must help us so that they can help themselves, and as well as the places of entertainment where people go and entertain themselves, they've been identified as a spread sort of areas. So we are concerned where people flock in numbers. There seems to be this surge, especially when they are entertaining themselves. So we are concerned, but at the same time we're calling on people to come to Nelson Mandela Bay, beautiful city, beautiful beaches, blue flag status. People must come and enjoy themselves, and we are sure that they will be happy and they'll be healthy, because we will be making sure that the law enforcement plays its role and make sure everybody complies with the regulations of lockdown of COVID-19.
There you have it, our mayor, Mr. Zolani Moya, basically telling us about the robust plans that the municipality will implement if the situation gets worse, to try and win the hearts and soul of the tourists that will be expected to converge here in December. Well, that is what I have here for now. It's back to you in studio.